DreamBoard. Yeah, today how to get the fucking DreamBoard. Yeah, motherfuckers. Are you ready, motherfuckers? Yeah, so just suck my balls, right? Okay, go to see there. The app to suck my balls. Go to manage. Wait, let me see first. I forgot the fucking bitch. Oh my god, I'm such a bitch. Which one? This one lah. What you think? Mother bitch. Oh, okay. I got it. I got the fucking bitch, alright? Okay. Go to your manage. Go to your sources. Edit and add. Repo dot insanely dot com dash at this fucking source. At that source, then go to your search and search for the DreamBoard, and there you use this stupid ugly system shit. Yeah, 1.1.4. Fucking install it, and it will show you this fuck. So you just click on it, DreamBoard. You can change your fucking thing to Android style. Android, see? Android, but you still got all your fucking apps here. Alright? Yeah, motherfuckers, so go back, just click the one at the bottom just now. Here. Click at the bottom here, click it. And click on default, go back to the normal one. Yeah, as you can see, I got the many fucking bitch, yeah. So, hope you like this fucking video. Subscribe to me. Thank you, motherfuckers. Bye-bye.